For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a dump truck business can be a lucrative venture if done correctly. The construction, landscaping, and waste removal industries all need reliable dump truck services. However, launching and managing such a business requires careful planning, knowledge of the market, and strategic execution. Leveraging free AI tools can simplify many of these tasks by helping you generate business plans, marketing strategies, financial forecasts, and more. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to start a dump truck business using free AI tools efficiently. Step 1. Conduct market research and feasibility analysis. Before investing in trucks and equipment, understand your local market demand, competition, pricing, and target customers. Use free AI research tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to help gather information about your market. These tools can help you draft questions, interpret data, and summarize trends. You can ask ChatGPT, create a market research summary for starting a dump truck business in your city/state. Include industry demand, typical customers, competitors, and pricing models. This prompt will guide the AI to provide a concise overview of the market conditions you can expect, helping you decide if the business is viable. Step 2. Develop your business plan. A solid business plan defines your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can assist in drafting a professional business plan. Try this prompt. Write a detailed business plan outline for a dump truck business focused on construction, landscaping, waste removal. Include sections on company description, market analysis, marketing and sales, operations, and financial projections. With this, ChatGPT will generate a structure plan you can customize and expand on. Step 3. Register your business and get licensing. Once the business plan is ready, register your business with the relevant local and state authorities. Determine the best legal structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc., based on your needs. Use free AI legal advisors, such as Do Not Pay or ChatGPT, to understand the registration steps and licensing requirements. Example prompt. What are the legal steps and licenses required to start a dump truck business in your state? Please explain business registration, commercial trucking permits, and insurance requirements. The AI will provide detailed guidance so you can ensure compliance and avoid legal issues. Step 4. Acquire trucks and equipment. Purchase or lease the appropriate dump trucks depending on your budget and business scope. Decide on new versus used trucks and financing options. Use AI tools to analyze vehicle reviews, maintenance costs, and financing offers. You can ask ChatGPT, compare the pros and cons of buying new versus used dump trucks for start a business. Include average costs, maintenance, and financing options. This insight helps you make a smarter purchasing decision. Step 5. Arrange financing and budgeting. If you need capital, prepare financing applications or loan proposals. AI tools like ChatGPT can help draft professional loan requests and budgeting spreadsheets. Prompt to try. Create a detailed budget for a startup dump truck business, including truck purchase, insurance, fuel, permits, marketing, and labor costs. Also, draft a loan proposal letter. This will generate a clear financial outline and professional documents to present to lenders. Step 6. Build a marketing and sales strategy. You need to attract clients, such as construction companies, landscapers, and waste management firms. Free AI tools can help craft marketing plans, social media posts, and sales pitches. Prompt for ChatGPT. Develop a marketing strategy for a dump truck business targeting construction and landscaping companies. Include digital marketing, cold outreach, and partnership ideas. For content creation, you can ask, write 5 social media posts promoting dump truck services for construction businesses. These AI-generated ideas and content will help you promote your services effectively. Step 7. Set up operations and scheduling. Organize how you will handle job scheduling, driver management, and maintenance. Use free AI productivity tools like Google Sheets combined with ChatGPT to create operational templates. Example prompt. Create a weekly schedule template for a dump truck business to manage jobs, driver shifts, and truck maintenance. You can then customize the schedule in Google Sheets or Excel and use AI to automate reminders or updates. Step 8. Obtain insurance and safety training. Insurance is crucial for protecting your business and assets. Research types of insurance, such as liability, cargo, and vehicle insurance. AI can help you understand insurance needs and find providers. Prompt. What types of insurance does a dump truck business require? And how can I find affordable providers? Also, ensure you or your drivers receive proper safety training, which you can supplement with online courses or AI-generated checklists. Step 9. Launch your business and network. Once everything is in place, officially launch your business. Use AI to draft launch announcements, email templates, and networking scripts. Example prompts. Write an email announcement introducing my new dump truck business to potential clients. Create a cold call script for reaching out to construction companies about dump truck services. Building relationships and partnerships early on is key to securing contracts. Step 10. Monitor performance and scale up. Track your financials, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. AI tools can analyze your data and suggest improvements. Prompt. Help me create a monthly performance report template for my dump truck business, including revenue, expenses, job count, and customer feedback. As your business grows, use AI to explore scaling options like adding more trucks or expanding service areas. In conclusion, starting a dump truck business requires thorough planning, compliance with regulations, strategic marketing, and efficient operations. Leveraging free AI tools throughout the process can save time, reduce costs, and provide professional quality documents and insights. From market research to financing, marketing, and ongoing management, AI acts as a virtual business assistant. With commitment and smart use of technology, you can launch a successful dump truck business ready to meet the needs of your local market. If you want me to create specific AI-generated documents or templates for any of these steps, just ask. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.